Hi and welcome to our video tutorial series on using your Nexus 7 device. In this short video, we're going to talk about screen pinning. Screen pinning is similar to iPad's guided access feature, which allows you to lock an individual within one particular app so they can't leave the app to access other apps or other content on your device. This is really helpful if you want a student to work onto one educational app and you don't want them to leave that app to either A, go on to YouTube or another game or something that is unrelated to what they're doing, or B, access personal content or change the settings on your device. To set up the pinning feature, we're going to pull down from the top to get to our notifications bar and then pull down again to click on our settings menu, which is the wheel on the top right here. From here, we're going to scroll down from the top to get to security. And from the security page, we're going to go all the way to the bottom. And the second bottom one, it says screen pinning. On your case, it's off. I've already gone ahead and turned mine on. But all you do is click on the page and enable this button here so that it is in the on position. To turn screen pinning on, go to the app that you want to go, open the screen you want to pin, touch the overview button, which is the square just below here. And there will be a pin icon, and I'll show you what that looks like right now. So say we want our student to be working on the SuperY application. So we'll click on SuperY. Once we're in the app, we'll click on the overview button, and that shows that card style of all the apps that you currently have running on your device. When you pull up, on the bottom right of that card, you'll see a thumbtack, which is the pin icon. We'll click on the pin icon. Here, it'll ask you if you want to start screen pinning, and if you do, you'll also ask you to ask for the pin, which is the same as your unlock code, to be able to leave the app. Now, to end pinning mode, it says here touch and hold the back button and the overview button at the same time, which is that triangle and the square at the bottom of the screen. We'll click start. So now it's the screen pinned. Now we'll notice that the home button doesn't work. It says to unpin the screen, touch and hold the back and overview button at the same time. So I'll do that right now. And here it locks the device and asks for our unlock code. Now you'll notice screen pinning is turned off and we can exit the app just as if we were able to before. And as long as that screen pinning switch is turned in your security settings menu, you don't need to go back there. That was just a one-time thing. So now whenever you want to pin an app, you can just go to the overview button in that task drawer there and push on the thumbtack and it should enable the pin. Now if you haven't set up a screen lock for your device, it's as simple as just holding the back button and that square overview button to unpin the app, and that is still a very effective measure because students wouldn't necessarily know or intuitively guess to do that, especially if you're working with a student with cognitive or developmental disabilities. That might suffice just to keep that student engaged into that one app. In upcoming videos, I'm going to talk about having multiple users on a tablet, which might even remove the need for screen pinning because it'll take away the ability to change some of the settings and to access the personal content, which would be under your user profile only. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.